Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through some steps on how to set up your Zoom live conferencing for either your Google Classroom or your Edmodo, or if possible to just send the link on WhatsApp for anybody to click on it, or for your audience to click on it, and at the end of the day you will be able to achieve your aim of creating that link. So you are going to make sure that you follow my step, and then you can also try to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be sending more content every day that are going to be valuable to you. Very sure that you are going to send this link to your friend, and you make sure that you watch this video again and again. So what do we do? What we are going to do is to get to our google.com. Then from here I will search the word Zoom live conferencing. So when I search the word Zoom live conferencing, from here the first on the list we have zoom.us. The link or the website is called zoom.us. With zoom.us, this is where you are going to create your live conferencing. So how do you go about it? You can sign in instead of using the word sign up. So with that, you come down and sign in with your Google account. So if you have Google account, you can use this Google account to sign in direct. I'm very sure that almost all of us have Google account. So I sign in with my Google account. Then from here now, I will move to the word schedule a meeting. The word over here called schedule a meeting. With this schedule a meeting, this is where I am going to create the content, the link for my audience to click on to join me live. So immediately I click on it, it's going to take me to this part where it is written my topic. So I can write there live class with Mr. Eben. So with this now, I can write description all about art education. All about art education. Then if you subscribe to Zoom, you can use more than 45 minutes, 40 minutes. But if you don't, it's going to be 40 minutes. So no need of activating this at all. So you can also reschedule your meeting. So if I want to reschedule my meeting for any day, I can do that over here, and the exact time, whether PM or AM, I can also set that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to um, generate my ID. I have my personal ID, and you can also generate automatically. So automatically we just give you anyhow ID. But if you want a personal ID, you can do that over here by clicking on personal ID. That means he's going to send this code to them, and this is more organized than just sending the generated ID. So let's use personal ID, the password. So this time password is required for now. So you can even reset the password to anything you feel like. It is preferable to use a number that your audience can cram immediately and use to enter the group. So this is my normal setting. I like my video and my audio to come up immediately when I enter my class. So I activate this immediately, and I don't like to enable meeting room. But sometimes also, if you mistakenly send your link out to where it's not meant to be, that means you're going to find yourself in very small trouble. So you have to enable meeting room to check the name one after the other before you can approve them to come in. So if you know that your audience are just few number, maybe about 10 children or 10 students or 10 clients, you can actually use the word enable meeting room. But if you have like me, that I do host about 20, 50, 100 participants. So what I do is very simple. I just activate I deactivate enable waiting room so that my audience can go directly into the group. So I save now. The moment I save, this is what I'm going to get. I'll come down over here and copy invitation link. So when I copy invitation link, so with this now I copy the link. So when I copy the link, this is the link has been copied. I copy the link, then I come down to start this meeting. So when I click on start this meeting, immediately everything is going to be totally different. It's going to ask me open Zoom meeting. So if I use the word open Zoom meeting, it's going to open Zoom as an application on my laptop. So if you have Zoom on your laptop, your Zoom will open immediately. And if you don't have, it's going to download down here immediately. So my own Zoom is downloading, and this is what I have. I can do a testing of my mic test. I can do all of that to test my mic, whether my mic is working fine. I think my mic is not bad, so I think I can hear myself. So with this now, I come in and I can activate my video. So with this is my video. I can see myself right now, and I can send the link to anybody to join me in the class. So let me send the link to another contact. Then we are going to be hosting 2 guests in this class. So what you need to do is this is the link over here. So you need to send the link to your to anybody that you know that they're about to join the class, that they want to join the class. So by the time you send it to them, they will find themselves in the class immediately. So I'm about to get an audience in the class, and about to, yes, now I have an audience in the class, and I can activate my camera, and right now the camera is activated. So this is how to set up a Zoom live conferencing. This is quite interesting, and we have so many features. I'm going to produce another video, and the video is going to be 10 steps to use your Zoom like pro. So if you want to use your Zoom like professional, you are going to get the link below. I'm very sure you are going to learn a lot from that link. So I will be right back to teach you more on how to use this Zoom live conferencing. I know you have actually grabbed everything. It's quite simple. Remember to send your link to your viewers, and remember to activate your speaker when you join your group. The first thing you activate your audio, and you can mute yourself in the audio. Likewise, my second participants can mute himself also in the audio. So I'd like you to give it a try, and this is how to end video. So you click on end, you have to click on end meeting for all, and from there right away you have end the video. So it is quite very simple to use this app. Just follow the step, get your link. So when you get your link, you send your link to your viewer. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to teach you how to now send this link to the lives of maybe you have some students in Google Classroom, or they are in or you have them in your Edmodo. So I'm going to teach you how to go about that now. So I'd like you to like this video, and share this video with anybody around you, and anybody you think this video will be useful to, and I will seriously appreciate it. So how do you go about that? So I will log in to my Google Classroom. Go down to my Google Classroom. So I will look for the class I'm using. Let me use this class called Master Class. So I paste the content. A user is inviting me for this and that. Please, again, I would like you to copy the code. After copying the code, copy again and come to word add link and paste it in the link below. So when you paste it in the link, add as link, then it's going to come out like this. So it is better for you to attach it as link. Then after that, you can post. So with this, by the time your children click on the link, immediately they will find themselves live with you. So if you are also using your Edmodo, just log in into your Edmodo, new.edmodo.com, then go to the classroom you are using. So by the time you get to the classroom you are using, this time you don't need to do anything. Just click on, write your message and bring everything here. Immediately you are done, just write your message. Remember to write your message attached to it, and you post. So immediately you post this, your student will get the link below. Remember to add write up. I just decided to use this as example to add the write up so that the children will understand the reason for the meeting. So we have now come into the conclusion of this video. I would like you to give it a try. Drop question if you have any video you want me to actually create. Drop drop them as question, and I'm going to attend to them as soon as possible. As I said, remember to subscribe. We have actually explored how to start up our YouTube, how to start up Zoom live conferencing. So thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.